everybody, and welcome to Kappa Kitchen, where we pit two pro gamers head-to-head to see who leaves the kitchen as Master Chef. My name is Yoni, and I'll be your host for today's battle between two masters of the mid lane, the 1v1 COD himself, Phoenix, and the challenger Golden Glue. The recipe on today's menu, Quest cookie dough brownies, which are good for any occasion, especially a battle in the mid lane. But before we preheat the oven, let's go over the rules. Each player's in-game performance will determine their progress in the recipe. Red Chef and Blue Chef will be prepping the brownies when each of the following happens. Every 20 CS is 1 step in the recipe. Each kill is worth 2 steps in the recipe. An outplay, as determined by Kappa Court, is 2 more steps. And finally, the game ends when 100 CS are reached or when an enemy turret is destroyed. Each player has banned a champion and the picks are in. Phoenix will be on Lucian and Golden Glue will be playing Ezreal. Let's get into the game. Alright, here come the minions. Early advantage, Golden Glue by about 10 HP. Oh. Oh, the trade. Oh, the ignite, the exhaust. Phoenix retreats. Oh, Golden Glue gets tagged. Oh, this is gonna be first blood Ezreal. That's a red kill. Red kill, it's 2 steps in the recipe. I don't know if that was an outplay. Solo, what do you think?
Nah. He just killed him.
Easy GG, and he's going to strategically die to the turret. Phoenix in an early hole to give the challengers early lead. 20 minions, blue side. Blue side, that's 1 step in the recipe. $20 minions on red side, that's another step in the red recipe. We have a 3-to-1 advantage for Golden Glue. Oh, the culling comes out after the heal. Exhausted. Oh, Liquid Phoenix. That's a blue kill. 2 steps for Blue Chef. Phoenix. Oh, gets tagged by. That's a spectator bug, or is it not? Wow. True Shot Barrage just misses to not give Golden Glue the kill. Phoenix just absolutely destroying. He just got another kill for blue side. That's 2 more steps, Blue Chef, and he's about to hit another 20 CS. This is close to being a sealed deal. A sweet outplay. Ooh. Phoenix did not know where Golden Glue was, low on health. That'll absolutely seal the deal on this one. Blue Chef, you're just gonna have to finish this recipe. Oh God, in between the turrets, Phoenix, can he dodge the turret shots? Gold, oh! Wow, the retribution kill, but it's just not gonna be enough as the turret goes down and Liquid Phoenix takes down the matchup against Golden Glue fairly easily. All right, Phoenix, congratulations. That one looked pretty easy. Tell me a little bit about the mashup, Lucian Ezreal.
I gave him advantage from first blood, but that was still easy.
Yeah, he did have the advantage after first blood, but it did seem like you were able to easily defeat him. And for your efforts, you are the champion today of Kappa Kitchen. Blue Chef is going to be giving you your prize, which is cookie dough brownies. So we're gonna have you try that. What do you think?
Excellent.
Very good. Amazing.
Yeah.
Kind of like your play. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. Our champion today is Liquid Phoenix. If you like what you saw, make sure to subscribe below. And remember, you can't take the heat. Get out of the kitchen.